I read somewhere, kung hindi ka itinatama, may hindi tama. This is a play of words. Word, tama. In English, it is loosely translated as, if you are not corrected, something is wrong. Kung hindi ka itinatama, may hindi tama. For the past several days, the gospel shows stories of Jesus saying strong words against the Pharisees, like what we heard this morning. Woe to you! Sawimpalad kayo, mga skriba at mga pariseo. Sawimpalad kayo, mga bulaang propeta, mga ipokrito. Those are strong words. Kaya nga dito sa latter part of the gospel, a scholar of the law said to him, "Teacher, by saying that, you are insulting us too." So binalingan siya ni Jesus. And he said, "Woe to you also, scholars of the law." Why is Jesus, why does Jesus seem to be angry at Pharisees? I don't think he was angry, because I cannot imagine Jesus kind of keeping hatred in his heart. Parang imposible. But what is the reason why Jesus is doing so, saying those things? Because he wants them to change. Because he wants to bring out the best in them. You are capable of more than that. Do not be hypocrite. Be sincere. Be trustworthy. Be faithful to your words. Yun ang gusto niyang mangyari. Kaya sila pinagsasalitaan ng mga mabibigat at masasakit na salita, hindi dahil sa may galit siya sa kanila, kundi gusto niyang iwasto nila ang kanilang maling pamumuhay. You see, sometimes strong words are also signs of strong love. Kaya huwag tayong masasaktan, huwag tayong sasama ang loob kapag napagsasabihan tayo. Kasi ganyan tayo minsan tayo, especially tayo mga Pilipino, yung amor proprio, no? Hindi kamukha sa ibang kultura, Western culture for example. They can say things as they are and no one gets offended. But sometimes we Asians in particular, we are offended when we are corrected. Pag napagsasabihan, sumasama ang loob. Hindi. Kapag tayo'y napagsasabihan, isipin natin, ito'y para sa ating kapakanan. Sabi nga pinupukpok mo ang sipit ng alimango, hindi dahil sa galit ka sa alimango, kundi dahil sa gusto mong makuha ang masarap na laman sa loob nito. Many times, people care, and that's the reason why they correct us. Because they care. Jesus said those strong words, not because he hated the scribes and Pharisees, but he wanted to bring out the best in them. Tandaan natin, kung hindi ka itinatama, may hindi tama. Amen.